Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to online support program week 5. Today we are going to discuss about assignment number 5 of mathematics class 4. I am Saadia Sarfraz from APS 4 Road Middle Wing Boys. So before starting the today's topic, let's discuss about hadith of the week. हदीस नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम है, हमारे और काफरों के दरमियान फ़र्क नमाज है, जिसने नमाज छोड़ दी उसने कुफ्र किया। हमारे मतलब मुसलमान और काफिर के दरमियान सबसे बड़ा फ़र्क जो आता है वो नमाज का आता है। नमाज हकूक़ अल्लाह है जो अदा करना हर मुसलमान पर फ़र्ज़ है। नमाज के बगैर हमारा दीन मुकम्मल नहीं होता। नमाज दीन का सतून है। इस हदीस से हमें ज़ाहिर होता है कि नमाज की किस कदर अहमियत है इस्लाम में। खाली इस्लाम कबूल कर लेना, खाली ईमान वाला कहलाने से हमारा ईमान मुकम्मल नहीं हो जाता। ईमान मुकम्मल करने के लिए हमें उसके फ़राइज़ भी अदा करने ज़रूरी हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहले हमारा फ़र्ज़ क्या है, सबसे पहले हुक्म किस चीज़ का आया है, वाक़ीमुस्सलात का, कि नमाज कायम करो। नमाज कायम किए बगैर हमारा ईमान भी मुकम्मल नहीं होता। तो एक मुसलमान नमाज अदा करता है और अल्लाह ताला के सामने सजदा रेज़ होता है, जबकि काफिर अल्लाह ताला को छोड़कर बाकी चीज़ों को अपना खुदा मानता है, उसके सामने सजदा करता है, उसी से अपनी हाजतें पूरी करवाता है। एक मुसलमान का ईमान होता है कि वो अल्लाह ताला पर अपना पूरा ईमान ज़ाहिर करता है, वो नमाज अदा करके अल्लाह ताला का हक़ अदा करता है। अल्लाह ताला के सामने सजदा रेज़ होकर वो उसकी बड़ाई बयान करता है, उसकी वहदानियत का इकरार करता है। इसलिए हमें किसी भी हालत में नमाज नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, क्योंकि नमाज छोड़कर हम कुफ्र के करीब हो जाते हैं। So now first of all let's discuss about the syllabus of the week 4. So in this week students we have to complete textbook page number 19 to 25 and then textbook page number 102 to 106. From workbook we have to complete page number 15 to 18, and the main topics which we are going to discuss in this week are rounding numbers to the nearest thousand, estimation, Roman numerals and symmetry. So let's discuss about the objectives of this week. Students will be able to round off numbers to the nearest thousand. They are also able to estimate the numbers and write the numbers in the form of Roman numerals. Students will be able to find out symmetry and draw the line of symmetry in different shapes. So first of all students, let's discuss about the process of rounding off the numbers to nearest thousand. So first of all we have to know what is the procedure of rounding off the number to the nearest thousand. Round off to the nearest thousand is discussed here. While rounding off, so before starting the rounding off, let me tell you that there are two types of rounding off. The first one is rounding up and the second one is rounding down. In detail we are going to discuss over here that while rounding off to the nearest thousand, if the digit in the hundred place is between 0 to 4, that is less than 5, it's mean the number which is written on the place value of 100 is less than 5 up to 0, then the 100 place is the digit at the 100 place is replaced by 0 and the digit at the 1000 place remains same. This is called rounding down. So when we discuss about round up, if the digit in the 100 place is equal to or greater than 5, then the 100 place means the digit at the 100 place is replaced by 0, but the 1000 place increased by 1. It's mean the digit at the 1000 place is increased by 1. This is called rounding up. Next, here is an example of rounding off to the nearest thousand. There are two numbers. The first number is 18,765 and the second number is 34,344. In first number we have to round it up. How can we say that we have to round it up? Because in 18,765 the digit at the 100 place is 7 and the digit at the thousand place is 8, and when we are rounding up we have to observe the digit at the hundredth place. Here the digit at the hundredth place is 7, as it is greater than 5, so this becomes 0, and the number at the tens and ones place also becomes 0, but the number at the thousands place is increased by 1, so this 8 will become 9, and the whole number will be 19,000. And when we come to second example, the number is 34,344. Now here we have to round it down. How can we say that we have to round it down? Because we have to observe the number which is at the hundredth place. Here the digit at the number at the hundredth place is 3, so we will use rounding down procedure because it is less than 5. So what will happen over here when we round it down? This 3, this 4 and this 4 will become 0, and the digit at the thousand place remains same. So this whole number after rounding off to nearest thousand will become 34,000. Next, here is an example, boys, in which we are going to use number line to round off the number to the nearest thousand. Here is the example. In example, the number is 63,320. When we put this number on the number line, then this number will come in between 63,000 and 63,500. So as the number is between these two numbers, and then we are going to mention it as a rounding off to the nearest thousand. How? We will observe the digit at the hundredth place. Here the digit at the hundredth place is 3. So we can say that this number will round down. So this 3, this 2 and this 0 will become 0, and this 3 at the thousands place remains same. So the number after rounding off to the nearest thousand, this number will become 63,000. So here is your textbook page number 21. On this page there are some practice questions which you have to solve on your loose sheets. The question is round each number to the nearest thousand. So we have to observe each number carefully, and by using the digit at the hundredth place we round off the number to the number or the digit which is at the thousand place. So by looking at the digit or at the hundredth place, we round off the number or the digit which is at the thousand place. So students, you have to solve these parts by using the process of rounding off to the nearest thousand. So next, boys, next topic is estimation. Estimation and rounding off is quite close to each other. They are quite related to each other, so we discussed it over here. In estimation process, you have to round off the given numbers, but the difference is that in the estimation you have to check the reasonability of your answer, that rather your answer is reasonable or not. The answer which you have, find out if your answer is reasonable or not. You have to find out this as well. So when we observe the example number 1, then here it is written that 5,213 adults and 785 children attended a carnival. Find the total number of people at the carnival. Estimate to check if your answer is reasonable. Now boys, for estimation there are two methods. You have to use the rounding off to the nearest thousand, or you use the rounding off to the nearest hundred. In first method, both numbers are rounded off to the nearest thousand, and in the next method which we will discuss later is the rounding off to the nearest hundred. If we observe these two digits, then when we round off them to the nearest thousand, then this first number will become 5,000 and the second one will become 800, because on the thousand plates it's 0. So when we add them, then we can observe it as 5,800 is quite close to 5,998. So the answer is reasonable. In next method, here we round off these two numbers to the nearest 100 and we take out the answer. When we round off these two numbers to the nearest 100, we came to know that the answer will be 6000, and this 6000 is also quite close to this number, so the answer is also reasonable. In this way, boys, you can find out the reasonability of the examples which are or of the questions which are given in question number 3a and b part on your textbook page number 22. You have to solve these two questions as well on your loose sheets. Okay, next two topics, the topic which is about the Roman numerals and the symmetry will be discussed in your video number 2. Thank you.